Are you having your home renovated? One major task you have to do afterwards is cleaning up the mess left behind. But post-renovation cleaning is far different from your regular house cleaning. So let's go into what post-renovation cleanups entail. This can help you decide if it's better to hire a service for the job. The first essential task is removing the dust. Renovation projects produce plenty of tiny particles. These come from all kinds of construction materials. They're dangerous when inhaled, which is why we must get rid of them. Make sure to remove any debris first for easier cleaning. We can then start sweeping and vacuuming from ceiling to floor. Don't forget the curtains and upholstery too. And pay attention to the nooks and crannies. We don't want any speck of dust at all. Next, we should clean the ceilings and walls. We may have cleaned the dust off them, but they can still have dirt and other stains on them. With a mild cleaner and careful scrubbing, you can remove them from the surfaces. After we deal with the walls and ceilings, we take care of the floors. Using the right cleaning solutions, we should scrub, mop, and polish the floors. These include the grout lines if you have tiles installed. Next stop, the bathroom and kitchen. Besides scrubbing the countertops and other surfaces, we also need to disinfect them. It's important to get rid of all the germs in these rooms. Now let's move on to the windows and other glass surfaces. Besides washing and wiping down the glass, do clean their frames too. These could have stains and dirt on them as well. Before we're done, don't forget the fixtures and finishes. Faucets, shower heads, switches, handles, and other components should be wiped and sanitized too. If you're overwhelmed by all these tasks, don't worry. Kung Fu Helper has expert post-renovation cleaners at your service. Get in touch with us anytime and let's talk about what your home needs.